If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for receiving latest updates on exams, research positions, and guidance videos. So let's start the video. Welcome to Inspire Chemistry. IISER Bhopal, one of the greatest research institutes in the country, has opened opportunity for internship in the tough time of 2021. It's an online internship opportunity. Already IISER Kolkata has given this opportunity, and the last date for application is May 5. So please do watch this video for the application. And for this particular position, which is in IISER Bhopal, you can apply if you're from basic sciences background, environmental sciences, engineering, or even economic sciences. So there are list of projects and list of professors under which you can perform the internship. The period of internship would be around 1 month to 2 months. It would be around 4 weeks to 8 weeks, depending upon the project. And you can choose up to 2 projects in different fields if you can complete them. Also, there will not be provided any fellowship in this particular internship because it's online. While there are some internship that provide, but in this particular, no fellowship will be provided. You will definitely getting a certificate from IISER Bhopal on successful completion of this research project once you submit the research report to the supervisor. Let me tell you that this could be a valuable opportunity in the time of COVID-19. As most people are in home, this can significantly improve your profile as well as tell you about the different aspects of research. So it's a big opportunity, it's a great opportunity. Please do apply as soon as possible. The last date, the window of application is from May 1 to May 10. So please do apply before that. Also, you have to give a write-up. You have to submit your CV and SOP. We have made video on CV and we have made a video on SOP. So this will actually determine your application. The committee will assess both of them and also your academic background, and if this matches, you will be taken. So please watch this SOP and CV video and make your profile and then apply as soon as possible. I wish you all the best, and I've made a very detailed video on how to list everything, how to fill up the application. So watch this video now. As you can see, we are on the page of IISER Bhopal, Indian Institute of Science, Education and Research Bhopal. So in front of you is the form that says IISER Bhopal Online Summer Internship Program 2021. So the most important thing here is the deadlines. So as it is already beyond May 1, the last date that you can apply is May 10, 2021. So make sure that you apply before May 10 up to May 9, but don't extend it to May 10. Okay, so IISER is a well-known institute and it gives you this opportunity of online internship. So as you can see that all those bright and motivated students who are from basic science background or engineering science background or even economic sciences background can apply for this internship. So in this particular internship, you will be able to participate in the internship, which will be conducted by a faculty fellow, and you will be working under his supervision as stated here. Again, the deadlines are mentioned to be May 10. I'm repeating, May 10, 2021. So please apply as early as possible. So what are the eligibility? So if you're a student from second year, third year or fourth year from either BSc, BTech or BE, or either you're a student of first year MS or MTech, you can apply for this program. And for filling this application, you need to click on this particular link, which is shown here in the blue. So once you click this particular link, you will be able to go directly to the application form where you can fill it. So you can important things that you can apply up to 2 projects here. Not only one, you can apply for 2 projects, and you can find the faculty under which you want to do the internship. So as they are saying that you can only contact those supervisors who are given their name for this internship. And they request you not to contact any faculty in person who have not given their names. So please don't do that. Do not disturb professors. Again, the project duration of this internship would be 4 to 8 weeks. That would be starting from May 25 to July 25. So it's about 1 to 2 months. So make sure that you have enough time, good internet, and you will be able to do this internship. So selection criteria would depend upon your academic performances and a lot of other things, especially what you submit as your research proposal or write-up that you submit. So that will be evaluated by a committee, and then your names will be listed accordingly. Other details is that list of candidates who are selected will be displayed by the end of the May. So once you submit your applications by 10 May, the last week of May, like after 25 to 30 May, you will be able to see your name on the website. So that says that you have been selected. Again, no financial intern assistance would be provided. That means you will not get any money for the internship. Although there are some internships where you can get money, but in this particular internship, you would not get any money. Again, hostels will not be provided, and nobody would be allowed to visit the ICER campus in person because of the COVID guidelines. Other than this, once you are successfully complete your internship and submit a detailed research report, you have to submit, once you do that research, you have to submit a research report to the supervisor, which is checked. And if they are confident and if they think, yes, you have done well, you have been competent, they'll give you a certificate. Remember, certificate would be very helpful for your other things. Any queries, if you have any queries, please directly address them to office.aa@icerbhopal.ac.in. And if you have any technical issue, it could be your name, it could be related to your account, so you can write an email to them. If you have any confusion, let us know. Again, please go apply as soon as possible. So let me just click this link. So once you click that particular link for the form, you end up having you end up coming to this particular page. If you already have made the email ID and password, you can directly log in. And in most cases, you have to go for a new student registration. So this portal will open up where you have to fill your full name, email, date of birth. And let me just write and show you up how you can register. So once you register for the new registration as a student, the email ID that you give there, you will receive an activation email. So this is the activation email that I have received. And you can see that you will be given a username that you entered and a password that you will use for the application. And then they say that please click here. So please click here. And then you will be directed again to this page. So now you need to fill the email and password, and then you will open a page. Once you put your credentials, you will be directed to this particular platform. So you can see that dashboard and internship form. So click on internship form. Then this page will appear. Now, if you are a student from ICER, you can type ICER student. If you're you're a non-ICER candidate, choose a non-ICER candidate. So I'll choose a non-ICER candidate, as most of you. So then you write your full name, Mr. or Mrs., whatever, your date of birth, and then you write the name or degree to be pursued. So if you are a bachelor student, write BSc Chemistry Honors, BSc Maths or Physics, or if you're doing engineering, write that. If you're doing it in chemistry, write chemistry. If you're doing like civils or engineering, economics, write that. So year of study, you can mention which year of study which year of study you are in. And so like if you're from bachelor's, you started on, let's say 2016, and you are doing it 2018, then you should write that. And 2 means from which year to this year. And then you have to upload your photo. That should not be access of 500 KB. So make sure that your photo is clear, white background, good image, and it is under this 500 KB size. So then you choose departments. Okay. So you can either be from chemical department like chemical engineering, chemistry, earth and environmental science, electrical engineering or computer science, mathematics or physics. So you can choose anything. Let me just choose chemistry here. Okay, the next is the name of the faculty under which you would like to do the internship. So the names are given here: Abhijit Patro, Aburpa Lal Koner, Bhardwaj Ishwarmurthy, Sachin Dev Verma. So I'll write like Abhijit Patra. So then it will show which projects are there. So you can see that there are numerous projects that have been listed. So let me just go with the first one, conjugated porous organic polymers. Okay, so then you can actually give your date, like it is mentioned that you have to start from May 25 to July 25. So you can actually put on which day you would like to start. Again, it's really important that the date that you mentioned here, it should have at least 8 weeks. Like if you start in June, it should end in July. So 8 weeks, like you can start before that also. So mention the date here. Again, the abstract has been given here that you can read. It will tell you about the position, what is required, like what thing you'll be working in. And then there are something called as the prerequisite. So if you ended up reading the abstract, you can go to these references where you can actually read much more about the position, what sort of work would be there. So references are the most important. Do read them, because from that you would be extracting a lot of information. So it clearly says that in this particular summer internship, one can acquire comprehensive idea about design strategy and fabrication method. Okay, that's interesting. So prerequisites would be given. So if you are doing a master's or bachelor's, and if you have a research work regarding that, or if you studied a course regarding that, you can apply. That would be really nice. Similarly, as I told you, you can apply for 2 projects. You can again go here and choose, let's say, chemical. So again, you can fill the projects and all these things. It will show the same thing. Then you need to upload your CV. We have given a CV video where we have told how to make a CV. So please do watch that video. The link is in the description box. And statement of purpose. So statement of purpose, I've rigorously made a video on statement of purpose for research projects. Do watch that video. The link is in the description box, and it would be really helpful if you read those references that were given in the abstract and then make the statement of purpose, because remember, it will decide if you will be selected or not. Then you write your address, your mobile number. Make sure that you take calls, your mobile number is active, and you can give your contact number of your parent, guardian who regularly uses the phone. Email, of course, will be there, your gender, and then you need to tell your education details. Like if you are doing UG, you write UG. If you are a master's first year student, you write master's first year student. University years, rank in the class. Again, these are really important. Area of research interests. This should make sure that this research area or research interest matches well with the position, because that will tell the committee, okay, you are interested and you are looking for a position just like this, so I should take this particular student. So remember, research interest, SOP, and your CV are really important. I'm again telling you, the link is in the description box, so please do watch that video. So I wish you all the best. Click the submit button, and if you have any queries, please let us know in the comment box. We will try to help you. Thank you. Inspire Chemistry.